Welcome to MyHostel.pk. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to fill the admission form step by step. First, go to the sidebar in your dashboard and click on My Hostel. Then select Admission Form to get started. In the first section, you'll need to provide your personal information. Fill in your full name, father's name, upload your profile image, and select your gender. Enter your phone number, email, date of birth, and your CNIC number. Make sure to upload clear images of the front and back of your CNIC. Then add your address, select your hometown city, and choose your current status: student, working professional, or both. If you're female, you'll also see a field for marital status. Agree to the terms and click Save and Next. Now let's move on to guardian information. Enter your guardian's CNIC, name, and contact number. Upload front and back images of their CNIC. If you are married and female, you'll need to upload your Nika Nama certificate as well. If you have any references, provide their details. If not, you can skip that. You can also list up to 4 visitors. Add their names and details. Agree and click Save and Next. By default, the guardian's password will be set to 128. In the next section, provide your hostel information. Select your hostel, add its contact number and address, and tell us how long you plan to stay. If you've stayed at a hostel before, enter its name, duration, and your reason for leaving. Agree and proceed by clicking Save and Next. Now, based on your role, fill in either student, professional, or both sets of details. As a student, provide your institute name, address, department, degree program, timing, session, registration number, roll number, and upload your student card. As a professional, add your job institute details, address, designation, job status, and upload your job card. Agree and click Save and Next. Finally, in the medical history section, enter your age, height, weight, and blood group. Let us know about any diseases, health concerns, or first aid instructions. You can also upload a medical certificate if necessary. Once everything is complete, check the final agreement and click Submit. That's it. Your form has been submitted and will be reviewed by the hostel owner for verification. Thank you for using MyHostel.pk.